In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the distribution of data by converting them into informative histograms. Here is a table showing salaries of various employees of a company. Let's say we wanted to see the distribution of the salaries. One of the most popular ways to do this is via histograms. A histogram is a graphical representation that organizes a group of data points into user-specified ranges. To do that in Excel, we need to first select the data. In this case, is the salary. Once you select this column, you can go to the Insert menu, and then in the Chart section, from Excel 2016 onwards, you'll have the Statistics Chart option, and there we can select histogram. There. Let's just increase the size. Let's change the chart title to salary distribution. Let's add data labels. Right click on the chart, add data labels, and now let's click the data labels. All are selected. Let's increase the size here. It's too much. Make it bold. Okay. This is also an histogram, but then Excel is trying to plot it automatically based on our data. So we can change the bin size and the number of bins. To do that, let's click on the axis here, and now you will have on the right in the format axis options, and here you can see that it's selected as automatic. Now we can change it, and let's say the bin width, let's keep it as 25,000, and the overflow bin, let's make it 200,000, and the underflow bin, let's make it 25,000. There. Now we have the bins with less than 25,000, 25 to 50,000, 50 to 75,000, so on and so forth up to 175,000 to 200,000. And you can see the distribution of salaries where most of them are between 25,000 to 125,000, and only one of them is between 175,000 to 200,000. So if we change the data now, so I'm going to change this data to, let's say, 145,476. Automatically the number decreases here and it increases in this column. Histograms can provide important distribution information and are great tools for quick data analysis. I hope that this tutorial was of use to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao.